I have been insulted more than anyone else for preaching unity across parties. Every day I've been insulted for serving as a minister. Now those who have been insulting me are lobbying to be ministers. Even members of DP, the DP members who held the press conference and even broke my portrait in Parliament, they are the ones who accompanied Honorable Nsibambi to State House. When the time for photos came, they ran away. Why do you do something you don't believe in? What is the difference between me, who goes openly, and you, who is in hiding? In fact, you are more of a thug. So, put in your calendar MAO press conference on Tuesday as Speaker of Parliament. This has to happen so that you people can know that this is about you. Chiamba mwe. So I came this morning to reiterate my resolve to continue my efforts to persuade the country and the members of the 12th Parliament that of all those that have expressed their interest and those being interested in the position of Speaker, I am the one most suitable for such a time as this. I'm not in the business of two-term Speaker. For me, I'm for this time, for such a time as this. So we are simply saying this time, MAO. Yes. This time, MAO. Thinking in the DP elite, because if you have people whose only thinking is MAO yafuna anzi safuna, that's the reason why they are running around. But it is not true. There was a time they also funad, only that they have forgotten. There was a time they also got, and MAO was leading his normal life, not complaining. The Baganda say, yagaliza ofune, atayagaliza tafuna. Because I was doing okwagaliza, that's where I ended up in the cabinet. But to make that a matter of life and death to the extent that you want to tear your party apart, you look at the way the opposition is. The parties that don't get sufficient votes to form the government are the ones called the opposition. The opposition does not mean anybody who is a nuisance, then you're opposition. Otherwise, the robbers and rapists would also say they're opposition because they're opposing the law, they're interfering with the peace and tranquility. Opposition is based on the results of the last election. The goal of the opposition should be to defeat and replace the party in power at the next election. I took this from some of the notes I had prepared. Remember, I was supposed to give a speech in Chankwanzi, the speech which was aborted.